Oh, Toyota fans, we have a Mega Cruiser spinning around where I 3D printed some wheels. But it turns out that Choro-Q is smart and they make other versions of the same casting, which is this one today. It's a fire truck version, so they're going to take a look at this guy and then can, just spin them next to each other later. Alright, so Joyful Motorist Shop is some sort of business of some sort, and they seem to ask Choro-Q to make models for them. Here we go. Tacti Corporation, and I don't know if it's maybe like a AAA or something, some sort of motor service, but it says here 2003. I don't know if that's like Joyful when this company started, or when this model, well, we'll get to the bottom of this. The date should literally be on the bottom, although it does say like 18 there. Alright, where's my knife? Alright, well, the Mega Cruiser is pretty much a Japanese Humvee, and naturally you can see it used here and as a fire truck, but they're used in the military, or this looks like just a regular civilian version. I imagine a lot of government agencies use this, maybe airport vehicles, all that stuff. Alright, let's see what other details we can get tighter on here. There's some sort of text there, but I don't know what that is, of course. There's nice tight details here. This red paint is pretty nice. I think it's actually paint. I don't think it's red plastic, because the wheels look like raw red plastic, right? You can see the difference in the smoothness and the glossiness. Alright, the main thing is these giant, ridiculous lights up here, but it is a cartoon car. This one actually doesn't have really dark windows. The canopy's pretty light. It's so flat. There's the motor. And now the front. What is this? So, some sort of badge of some sort. It should be a Toyota badge, though. I mean, I'm looking at a different photo, and it's... Oh, you know what? This might be a badge for the fire department in Japan. That's what I'm thinking. The headlights look really nice, because you have a little orange in there. And then these fog lights are also painted. I do feel this maybe not enough silver paint there, though. And then the grill, the way it's molded, looks really dark. It's really effective. I don't think there's any paint in there. It's just really deep, so it looks black. Here, though, it is shallow and it is black. The license plate is just plain. Alright, there's some black vent on this side here. What about... No, it is on both sides. I didn't see that first time around. Alright, nice separation of the taillight colors, and then JMS there, some sort of spare wheel. And then that's it, I guess, for up there. So 2003, and then that's it. Standard construction there. I think I'm just going to leave this one alone. This might be my first Choro-Q that has red wheels. I mean, I could 3D print the same wheels again, but I don't know. It's not worth it, I don't think. I'm just going to leave this the way it is, and this the way it is, just to have something different. Okay, so there's a little bump there on the roof. This one's stained. This is not from JMS. I don't know what collection that would be from. The bottom is the same, though. Okay. Alright, so hopefully you've seen... Oh, yeah, see, so this one has a Toyota badge. And also, this one has 3 wiper blades printed on, but it doesn't have orange in the turn signals. So that must be a fire thing. And also, this one has a license plate blank, none at all. I almost feel like I'd rather just have none at all. Also, the canopy is around the same translucency. Yeah, so the side printing, but I was just seeing if there's a Toyota badge on the back of this blue one, but there is not. Alright, so that's it for that comparison. Oh, and actually here I did pull up an image comparing the Hummer to the Mega Cruiser. If you want to pause, they're the stats there. That's too far over. My bad. Alright, comparing to a 1/64 scale vehicle, I have this much smaller K5 Blazer from Greenlight. It's that X-Files Blazer. Unfortunately, the lid's coming off. I simply don't have a 1/64 scale Humvee or Mega Cruiser, but it would be significantly larger than that. You know, if you've ever seen an H1 Hummer, yeah, they're big vehicles. Alright, so that's it for the 64 scale comparisons. But I have many other vehicles like this in cartoon form, including the H2 Hummer, which is a smaller Humvee. I have this Toyota Land Cruiser of unknown specification because the bottom doesn't say anything. I think it's a Land Cruiser 70. And then this next one is a JMS, a Joyful Motor Shop. I think it's an FJ40 Land Cruiser. And then the last one I'm going to pop out is a Lamborghini LM002. Alright, so... You know, interesting, yeah, this other, JMS has that yellow top light, so I wonder if that's like a thing. Again, it makes me think that JMS, Joyful Motorist Shop, is perhaps some sort of a car service company. You know, maybe they rescue, vehicles on the highway or something like that. I don't know. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. What is JMS? Alright, well, let's let this thing spin on its own. Every model gets that opportunity in my channel. Uh-oh. Rolling models. Darn it, stop rolling. Okay. So, it's different enough from my other one that I like this. I'm going to keep both of them. I like the different details, Okay, well, I appreciate you watching again, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.